So for someone who wants a really compact and lightweight recording device, the SD Flash series is fantastic for this. The SX40 and the SX60, 40 comes in three colors, silver, red, and blue. The 60 comes just in silver. Difference between the two is the 4 gigabytes of built-in internal memory on the SX40, which gives you about 2 hours and 55 minutes of video footage in the LP mode, and 16 gigabytes on the SX60. As well, you can use our new Memory Stick Pro HX, which is a faster memory stick. So if you put that in there, it can read and write 3 times faster. You'll notice the speed difference when you connect your camera to the computer and start downloading it. To move 8 gigs of data is a lot of data, and to be able to do that 3 times faster makes working with it just so much easier. The 5.1 channel surround with zoom mic allows you to actually make a 5.1 channel recording automatically as you're pointing your camera. When you play it back in your home theater, it sounds exactly like a movie would, with the sounds moving all around you as you move. Looking at the hard drive series, we start with the SR47 in 3 colors, and then the 67 and the 87. Primary differences: 47 is a 60 gigabyte hard drive, about 45 hours of playback maximum, and the 80 gigabyte is up to 61 hours. When we move up to the SR87, we have an improved lens and sensor, so you get a 1 megapixel still and a 25 optical zoom. So the zoom changes, but generally when you're looking at a higher quality lens, they usually have a little bit lower zoom ratio. They're a crisper, sharper image. So as we move up in there, we have 3 models available for you, with the entry level being in 3 colors. So making sure that people have all the accessories they need is really important for them to get all the enjoyment out of the product right away. People are usually buying it before a big event, and to have the accessories they need right away really helps. And one of the first things, the things you have to get when you're getting a camcorder, are an optional battery. Just to have that extra peace of mind to be able to have up to 5 times the battery life of the supplied battery is a great thing if you're traveling. You've got your high-def camcorder, you're traveling around Europe, or you're going across the country seeing all the sights. You want to be able to not worry about, is my camera charged, are we going to be able to go? If you're shooting inside, somebody's buying it for a party or for shooting Christmas or some other special event, the wide angle lens and the tripod makes such a difference in being able to shoot in a small confined space. And once people have tried it, they almost never want to go back to shooting just with the standard lens. One of those great accessories is our new VRD-P1, and this is a DVD burner that allows you to just hook up to the camera. You press the one button and it'll automatically start burning a standard definition DVD. You don't actually hook it up to power, you just plug it in through USB into the camera. The camera's plugged into the wall and it draws power right from the camera. It can be used to play back those videos that you've made as well, again, right through the camera. So you just put that DVD in and it'll play right back through your TV. So a really affordable way of backing up all your video without having to get involved with a PC. It's just such a time saver. It's great. Every time you come home, you just burn a DVD of what just happened. It's the soccer game, it's the hockey playoff, it's the party. You burn a couple DVDs and you're done. You're ready to go for the next time. So your hard drive or your memory stick is always empty and ready to go. You don't have to fill it up like you used to with the tapes, making sure that you fill up the whole hour. Now you have DVDs that are all the events, and when it's time to go back and look, it's just so much easier. So the VRD-P1 is just an essential accessory, and for people who are not too comfortable with their PCs, even more so. So finally, when you're looking to qualify your customer, these are some things you might want to think about. Looking at asking people, where are all the videos you have right now? Are they sitting in a box? Do you have your camera hooked up to your TV? How do you actually move from collecting to watching, right? And that's what the new camcorders with the hard drive and the memory stick and the DVD really close the loop. And so if you can talk to people about how they want to actually watch and share their videos, then you can bring in all those other discussions about how these camcorders can really help them get the best images and watch them. When you talk about, have you ever figured out the menus on your existing camcorder, you can show people how easy it is to use the touchscreen menu, to find footage on a camcorder, to open and close it and have it automatically turn on and turn off. These are things that will help people really understand how this camcorder will make them shoot better videos and allow them to share them with their friends. So thanks for going through the SD Handycam 2009 lineup from Sony, and don't forget to do the exam to get certified in this category.